coming to shoes, shoes is more than just a design. Shoes is all about the way you walk, your body language. Give women the right pair of shoes and she can conquer the world. And that's what exactly is happening. I have fabulous women sitting here who's conquering the world, taking over. Heels. So, the heels of the shoes are something which is very, very important. Because at the end of the day, our legs, our knee and hips should not curse us. They should be with us and what did you do to us. So this is something which is an everyday and it's very classic. The shoes will not change. It's not jeans that ये भी ले लेंगे खुल जाएगा 2 दिन बाद, even if the person says कि ठीक हो जाएगा. What you be rational. What you're buying is what is going to stay. So it's not going to change in any way.
Are kitten heels out of fashion? Can I style them with an ethnic outfit?
Kitten heels are the classic piece, like I said, that you can wear it at any point of time, at any occasion, and you can match it with any kind of wardrobe because it's the safest. So this is basically a nude color, which is the best. If you want yourself to have that elongated look, tall look, slender look, nude is the way to go. And again, look at these heels; they are almost like kitten heels, but they're stilettos actually.
What height are wedges better than stilettos or other kinds of heels?
Wedges are absolutely perfect. If you're somebody who cannot wear heels, or like she said, do not wear heels to an event and then remove it. That nothing looks more bad. It's not nothing is more imaging. Also, mixing is very important. Mixing of prints is also very important, but do not mix so much contrasting prints that you have a print here, you have a print here, another print there, then you look like a drape shop. So all these two elements are good in mixing.
So you have an answer for that. For people who have flat feet, what kind of heels can one wear for a party that doesn't hurt the feet and looks trendy to you?
Especially for flat feet, it's a kind of a medical thing, so you have to have those special soles in it. So you can wear any kind of heels again. The heels is not going to be a problem. The sole is important because it's the foot sole which is flat. So you need to wear those kind of cushioning inside, and then you can go again. Start with a smaller heel.
I'm always confused what to wear with jeans and tops. I don't want to wear canvas shoes all the time.
Absolutely. I think the jeans gladiators. I think gladiators and those ankle strap shoes, they look fabulous.